you see? Tengok dulu. Assalamualaikum. Alright, hello everybody. Can you see me? Can you hear me loud and clear? Yes? If let's say you can hear me, please give me a thumbs up or love or comment below so that I know you can hear me. Okay? Salam, very good. Alright, give another 1 to 2 minutes for other people to come in so that we can relax together lah. Okay? Alright, so today we're gonna make Mamak Mee Kuah Kang. Yes. Okay, so the Kang is actually the brand of the noodles itself, right? If let's say you are in Malaysia, very sorry, I apologize for if let's say the name is rude, but it's the brand of the noodles. Okay, Kang, which means Jian Kang, which means healthy in their language. So Kang means healthy. And yes, this Kang is doubly healthy because it has no preservative. Okay, so alright, so without further ado, let's check it out. Let's start. Shall we start? If let's say you want me to start, please thumbs up, love and like. Alright, I need to drink first, drink water. Okay, thirsty lah. Alright, so hot weather like this or humid weather like this, you need to drink lots of water and eat something that is spicy or something wholesome so that it will macam give the inside come out lah. Okay, good. So let's check it out. Alright, so Kang Mamak Mee Kuah Kang. So Mee Kuah, okay, it's loved by everyone. Originally by our Singaporean Indians. Alright, you cannot find this anywhere else in India or what, okay, but it is originally from Singapore, Indian itself. Alright, so that's how we grew up with Mee Kuah lah. Mee Kuah we grew up with when I go over at Beach Road there. I love to eat the Mee Kuah, right? But the yellow noodle, last time they use, I not quite like it. That's why I always eat Mee Kuah Mihun. But this one, because why? Like I said, every time I say I'm a skeptic until proven otherwise. So this Kang Hokkien noodle simply just it's nice lah. Seriously, it's nice and it's tak muat tak jelat because of the kapo lah. Yellow noodle or Hokkien noodle needs to have kapo for it to preserve or for it to have that texture, right? So for Kang, it's relatively you cannot bau or you cannot taste also. Alright, so and it's because this is pasteurized. Okay, so pasteurized you can leave it outside for 1 month. Okay.
Watching you from Mauritius.
Mauritius ah. Whoa. Asyap babe. Okay, so first things first. Alright, we need to make the rempah. Alright, so you all no need to copy the recipe because the recipe will be posted later on. Okay. Alright. So we have shallots over here. Okay, potong pun dah yang Mamak Mamak potong ni. Mamak potong this fast, Huh? Okay, so if let's say you want to cook this, you all need to cut like the Mamak also. Alright, pay homage to the Mamak, man. Ni Kang sampai kuliah. Alright, so over here we have shallots. Normally this one we will make the rempah. We need to blend. Okay, but for me I love to cook but I hate to wash up, so I don't want to make use of the blender, so I just slice this up. Okay. lucky my neighbor is good. If not, they will complain. Tang tong 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 tang 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 tong tong tang tang tong 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 tang. Alamak. Okay.
Mee kuning makan migraine bro, iPhone cannot.
Okay, so mee kuning, yeah, correct. Sometimes the mee kuning migraine because of the preservative and the country lah, which is the which is the kapur. But this one, luckily my neighbor is Nenek Cina. Nenek Cina know me well, very well. So right now I tang like this. She also tang inside her kitchen. Okay, so alright, over here I have shallots, garlic and ginger. Okay, and then we need to have our rempah-ratus, which is star anise, cinnamon, and also cardamom pods. And don't forget bonjot. Okay, bonjot, this one you can buy in the supermarket. Alright, so over here, alright, if let's say you want to buy the kangkang, right? You can buy it over at any major supermarket, Sheng Siong, Fair Price, or any supermarket lah. Or if not, you also can order online, and you can let it be delivered to your doorstep. Okay, so I'm gonna make the rempah first. Okay, so rempah on oil, generous amount. Alright, and please comment below where are you from. Are you Malaysia? Are you from Singapore? And if let's say you're from Malaysia, please stay safe right now. And in Singapore also, please let us stay home as much as possible right now before the 21st, because there's a new cluster going on at Bukit Merah. So please stay safe, stay vigilant. Alright, and at home, relax and masak this mee kangkang. Alright, so please share this video if let's say it's possible. You share this video, be grateful lah. Alright, so the rempah, first things first. Alright, I'm gonna boil the water. And then for the rempah, right, first things first is the cinnamon stick, star anise, and also cardamom pods. Alright, here I think need to naikkan sikit, and then dekat ni, yang atas ni. This one, this clip clip keluar and tarik ke atas. Okay, siang dia perlu siang kerja ni. So you all can see the insides. Okay, and tilt this one. Sampai sini boleh. Okay, so over here the rempah-ratus dah ni, and then we put in the onions. Alright, and also the ginger and garlic. And also not to forget, for this Mamak Mee Kuah kangkang, I'll be using the kangkang chili paste. Okay, kangkang chili paste ni I don't know lah, because why, it's so nice. It doesn't have a lot of cuka. Okay, cuka is English apa? Vinegar. Okay, sorry, my English, my mother tongue is not English, you know. So, alright, not much vinegar, so the taste wouldn't be compromised when you use for your cooking. Because sometimes in the supermarket, right, you use other brands of chili paste. They put a lot of vinegar to increase the shelf life, right? But for them, I tell you this one, sedap okay? Okay, really sedap. Right, so over here, just like that, and some of the kangkang chili paste. Okay.
From Taiping Perak.
Taiping Perak, orang Perak. So we need to kan? Sure. Alright. Need to tumis so that it will matang. Okay. If not matang, later the taste won't be nice. Alright.
I thought you need to Aku tak faham aku bagus.
I thought need to what? Assalamualaikum.
You need soup kambing stock to make mee kuah.
Okay, you thought wrong. Okay, don't worry. Alright. As I go by, I will teach you. Okay, I will let you know why you don't need to have any of the kambing stock. Okay. Okay lah, Lina. Okay lah. Okay. So,
Okay, if your neighbor got timing, you kena complain, you know.
Laki my neighbor nenek Cina. Okay. Tomato paste. Alright, for the color and also the taste.
This one you didn't add the whole packet, right?
No.
Yeah. Is it too spicy if you add the whole packet?
Yep, obviously. Okay, so it's up to you. If let's say you want more spicy, you add in more, or you can add also the chili padi. Okay, so you can look at that. The color, really color itself is robust. Okay, and then put in some tomato puree. Alright. Okay. You lower the heat. You need to excuse me. I need to take apron because this uniform I got one, and tomorrow I need to do IG live. Okay, that's why we wear apron to cover. Okay, thank you very much for answering my question. Okay, telur disco. Apa Hakim telur disco? Okay, so if let's say you have any question, please don't hesitate to comment below, and to please share this video around so that others might benefit from it. Okay. Alright, so over here we have some sort like a paste like that. Okay. Not to worry.
Watching from Malaysia.
Masya Allah, thank you so much for watching from Malaysia. Amazing, man. The smell already is really amazing. Okay, and then over here I have some rempah kari. Okay, so rempah kari, or you can also use bone steak near rempah, not a problem. But for me, I just use rempah kari because the rempah itself is already robust. If let's say you use bone steak rempah, it's almost the same ingredients. It might overpower the stock. Okay. So rempah kari, I mix up with some water. Alright, curry powder.
I held my phone upside down and cannot recognize Chef Bob with his hair.
Cannot recognize Chef Bob with what?
With his hair, head full and beard gone.
What?
Which means you haven't seen him for a very long time.
Yalah. Okay, so from Klang, Klang Valley. Saya dari JB, Masya Allah JB. Okay. Alright, orang Malaysia, if let's say you're tuning from Malaysia, the name Kang, so sorry if it's the tak sopan sikit, but Kang is the brand of the noodle. Alright, it's the brand of the noodle. So please excuse me if let's say I sounded rude, but it's not rude because it's the brand of the jenama mi dia, mi Kang. Okay?
Daging or ikan?
Daging lah, ikan dia masam. Okay.
Alamak, terlambat tengok from
Melbourne. Okay, don't worry. Later you can watch this again because I'm gonna post this as a post, and you can refer to the.
Hey, buy the patung Kang. Siap dengan baju sekali, Chef. I want to purchase.
You can ask Kang for it because Kang is the one who do this for me. Alright, so over here you can see that it's brownish in color. Not to worry, don't worry. In this at this point of time, if it's looking so brown, don't worry because later on we're gonna put some more ingredients to make it merah. Alright. So okay, to tell you more about this Hokkien yellow noodle, right? The Hokkien yellow noodle is made up from premium wheat flour. Okay, so when premium wheat flour, okay, let's get a bit technical lah, I don't like to go too technical, okay, but it's premium wheat flour so that the elasticity, like the gluten inside, is much more robust, okay, much more, how to say, really smooth lah, so to speak lah. So that's why it's premium, and although it's premium, it is sold at $1.15. $1.15. Okay, and later I can show you how much is inside. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, it's bubbling up. Not to worry. So once it's bubbling up, we get some air panas. easier. Alright, and put it inside. Okay. Alright, so dia dah macam gini kan, dia brown. Bagi dia masuk lagi. Stop. And then don't forget your bonjot in. And then, okay, so just now you asked me, right, you need to put the kambing stock, right? Okay, yes, can. But for us, when you are home cook, we need to be convenient. Okay, so you don't want to have the kambing lah, you have this one, that one. Just get bouillon. Okay, so for normally, if let's say you all can eat beef, right, can use beef bouillon, but chicken bouillon, okay, is universal enough. Just put inside. Okay, let it cook. Masak ni sekarang. Alright, and after that, okay, I'm gonna put some of this pepper. Alright. Okay, so those of you just joining in, thank you so much for joining in. All 390 of you. Let's go up to 450. Let's go. Share this video. Let us Kang together with me. Sounds so wrong, but it's so good. Okay, so thank you so much. Wherever you are, please stay safe at home and let us check it out. This stock, mashallah, smells amazing. Okay, so chili sauce. Alright. Okay, if you wonder why I make a lot, I want to share with my neighbors. Okay, right now there's a lot of negativity going around in Singapore. Neighbors are tong 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 tang 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 tang, and then upstairs neighbor complain lah. We all masak, the smell so bad, the smell so strong. But right now, okay, we going to celebrate the neighborly love. Alright, neighborly love, because Chef Bob is a loving kind of chef. Okay, so chili sauce, tomato ketchup, masuk in. Right, in. And
macam mana nak dapat colour betul-betul merah macam dekat kedai mamak?
Tu dia letak colouring. Okay, the mamak one they really put the colouring to have the really red colour. But for me, wait, when we are cooking at home, right, no need to put colouring. Okay, all these ingredients have all the natural colours. I mean, they have their own colours. Aesthetically, it wouldn't be as red as the mamak one, but the taste will be there. Okay, when we cook at home, alright, no need to follow tit for tat.
Ada letak ketam tak?
Ketam? I mean, you can lah. Okay, you can. But for me, okay, to make it more colour dia robust, I will add red sugar. Alright, red sugar. Nanti dia will turn a little bit more of macam merah-merah sikit lah. Okay, I can see that dia turn a bit of a bright red macam itu. So you can see that it's much more of a natural colour rather than the really punch in the face colour like the mamak one. Alright, so mashallah. Okay,
can we put crab, lobster in?
wait, okay, in cooking, there's nothing as can you put this one, can you put that, as long as you like it, as long as whatever fluff your garfield, alright, whatever really that you fluff your garfield, whatever really that you like, please, okay, please go ahead, put whatever you want, crab ke, lobster ke, bismillah.
Kalau crab jadi macam chili crab,
mashallah. What you were saying? Sudah.
tak jadi macam chili crab.
Alright, so this one is a mamak crab. Alright, it's okay. Come. So, syok I need to have a.
Tak letak daging, bos.
Nantilah. Ayo lah. Your wife very impatient. Okay, so okay, I want to taste again. Cannot tahan, man. Sugar.
What is there a difference if you were to put normal sugar and this sugar?
Okay, the difference is like I said, colour. Alright, and normal sugar will, the cane sugar, right, will let it dilute a bit, but the thing is minimal lah. It's minimal. Not much difference. The taste will be there.
Dia yang masak, kita yang excited.
Siapa yang excited?
Kau
Okay,
yang
so
masak, dia yang excited.
alright. All 440 of you, thank you so much for watching. I'm right now cooking Mamak Mee Kuah Kang Kang because I'm using Kang Kang flat Hokkien noodle. And this Kang Kang flat Hokkien noodles, it's much more not many preservative or no preservative at all. Alright, and it's pasteurized. You can keep this outside. No need to put in the fridge for 1 month, and is used from premium wheat flour. And exactly after this you open, no need to wash, straight away masak, masukkan dalam and serve. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, while this is cooking I want the soup to pecah minyak. Okay, jadi pecah minyak. Let's see how. I'm sorry. Shook. Okay, so the thing is, you need to have a bit of kicap masin.
Kecap masin.
Yes. So mamak mesti ada babe. Masya Allah, so good. Okay, so right now you can let it simmer like that, and then let's see the quantity of this. Okay, 430 gram, 420 gram Hokkien noodle Okay, I will bring out my OG punya piring Pyrex. If you have this, you are very old. Who have this? Please give me a thumbs up. Pyrex OG kan. This my passed down from mak-mak kita. Okay, so 420 grams. Let's check it out. Look up. And you can see it's compact. Once it's compact, when you spread it out it will be banyak bit. And as you see, the color is not as bright as other Hokkien noodle or yellow noodle in the market because
Macam
it
dia
doesn't put
fluffy up, like making it banyak.
because it doesn't put any yellow coloring. And as you know, egg noodle does not contain egg inside. So you are being duped by the people there. Okay. Alright, so you see there, this one, it's quite a lot. Okay, for 420 gram, this one can feed I think a family of 4, even 5. Alright, and then this one has 1 kg. 1 kg is $1.70. This 420 is $1.15. Low alkaline. That's it, man. Very very nice. Okay, and banyak babe. I think I need to give nice. I need to give 2 neighbors. 2. Okay, 2 neighbors as you can see there. And dia punya kuah ni, as you can see, dia dah masak macam ni. Okay, if let's say you want to have more flavor, ladies and gentlemen, alright. Okay, if let's say you want to have more flavor, like I said just now, somebody commented, right, you can put in lamb bones or beef bones, or let's say you want to put in eco or what, put inside eco also can. Alright, but before you put inside, you need to boil it, the eco first, to get the bau, the smell out. Okay, so you can see here it's thick. Alright, this is ready. Everything is that I need to put this. I have standby some Wagyu beef strips. Alright, Wagyu beef strips for my Mee Kuah Kang Kang. Okay, so this is done. Everything here is done ready. So now it's time for us to do the necessary thing, the final product. Okay,
Boleh taruh macam mi sanggul, correct?
Mee sanggul.
Sanggul.
Oh, mee sanggul. Oh, okay, yeah.
The way you put it like that, right?
Yeah,
Macam mi sanggul.
really like mee sanggul. Right, so it's pretty amazing.
Salam chef, just bought Kang Kang kway teow noodles yesterday. Made fried kway teow, so sedap.
Wow. And yeah, if let's say you like kway teow, I'm using Ipoh Hor Fun tomorrow on IG Live, and I'm gonna make pad thai with Ipoh Hor Fun. Seriously amazing. So And this kangkang noodles, right? Not only is halal, but it's vegan friendly. Okay, although nama dia is questionable to the Malays, okay, but it's vegan friendly and it's halal. Okay, okay. So this one is relatively ready. Okay, so relatively ready. I have some more air kat sini because I think I need to put inside pasal the kuah is quite thick. Okay.
Tak payah taruh flour.
If let's say it's diluted, right, you can put in your corn flour, your cornstarch to make it thicker. Right, not to worry. So, but for me, I'm gonna put in some more water. Alright, you can see that. And the color, I say, we stay true to Kang punya apa ni business acumen. No colouring, okay. No colouring, so that you can see that the robust colour, natural. Okay, are you ready? I'm done. Right, next one is that we're gonna plate the kangkang noodles. Okay, so how do we present the kangkang noodles? Right.
Recap
So
recipe, please.
recipe.
Recap recipe, please.
Okay, recap recipe. Okay, so how do we recap recipe? Recipe later we gonna post wah. Or later you all can see wah. Okay, I only berapa lagi? I have only half an hour. I want to show you how I eat. No, hello. I want to show you how you make the telur. The telur gili-gili. You want to see or not? Huh?
Salam chef, will you be sharing the recipe?
Yes, Waalaikumsalam. Yes, I'm going to be sharing the recipe soon. It's in a form, a post form, so you all can save the recipe and you all can replicate it later on. So not a problem, no need to copy. Relax. Now you just enjoy. Tengok my kepala botak with the kangkang and the monyet. Okay, and you can see the monyet there's a heart shape because it's healthy. And dia macam ni, macam mamak ni.
Chef, the mee no need to celup air panas dulu.
Okay, don't need to celup. Okay, like I said, no preservative. If let's say you want, up to you. But for me, you all can just if let's say you want to make panas, yes, celup sekejap je. Cup, pak, that's it. Okay, if let's say you wash, it will affect the texture. Okay, because this is already been pasteurized. Alright, it's already been pasteurized and can be eaten. Texture is there. So once the texture is there, they are already perfect. Then you put in the.
Bila nak makan ni?
Relax. Okay, so this one texture is there already. When you put the hot broth, alright, the texture is already perfect until. Okay, so alright, this one is big enough. Alright, so I'm gonna present to you one portion. Okay. Relax. Don't worry, relax. So okay, one portion. Let's go. Bila nak makan banyak berbual lah ni chef. Okay. Excusez-moi. Here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make the one portion.
Chef, what ingredient can make the gravy get strong flavor?
What ingredient can make the gravy make strong flavor? Stock and bones. Okay, stock and bones. Alright.
Chef, bau sampai KL ni.
Kalau mak, danger dia.
Kalau tak ada gula merah, letak gula biasa boleh?
Boleh. Okay, so I'm gonna present it in this my another Pyrex meal bowl, OG, original gangster. Alright, so I'm gonna put the. Let's say you want to celur, you can celur. It's up to you. But for me, I don't want to screw up with the texture. I just directly letak macam ni. Okay, there, direct. So direct, I'm gonna put it here. Excuse me, Bismillah. Right. So right now.
One portion.
Yes, this is one portion.
And after one portion, you still want. How much more is left? Tengok. Right. It's really worth it lah. And this is what, 420 grams, right?
420 grams.
Yeah, 420.
Right. Okay, so oil, just a bit.
Jiran ada nak jual rumah tak?
Huh? Ada. Okay. Yes, Mr. Omar. Omar, you want to say hi to everybody? Come, say hi. Say hi. Come. just finish his silat so later we can makan. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, so heat up the. You want to help Baba? No, later. Never mind. Come, go, Mama. Mama, please. Go. Okay, so hot pan. Alright, the beef strip. Okay, you all can use sirloin. You all can use strip loin. You all can use what's it called, rib eye or what, wagyu, whatever you. Up to you. Okay. So high heat. Okay. Okay. So, okay, let's say you're meniaga, you can use like this. You can straight away make this soup, the stock, a lot. Okay, one batch put aside, and then let's say there's individual order or what, if let's say individual serving, one serving, you can do like this. Okay, so ni ada dia stock. Okay, we gonna bagi dia saute just like that. Okay, and then the stock, this one, remember, put in. And lower the heat to a simmer. Okay, like that. Nice. Okay, I believe this is still thick, very very thick. Alright, so let's say you are boiling with the stock, you can put in the stock, but for me I just put in water, not a problem. Okay, put it to a low to high simmer, just like that. And then don't forget your chai sim. Don't have chai sim, you can put sawi, or you can also put your cabbage, not to worry. Alright, so this chai sim, put it inside. For the fiber, texture and the color. Okay, and bring it to boil. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Okay. Yes, Umar? Good. Okay, go and play. Come. Alright, pantang babe. Ni, oh tak bersih. Alright, so now is the magic. So once you have all the ingredients ready, okay, let it cook. Okay, shoot.
Daging wahyu ada jual kat NTUC ke?
You can use marblingnya daging juga, no problem. Okay, marbling daging, not a problem. Okay, so once it's started to boil, right? Okay, this is the thing that you need to do. Okay, guys, listen up. Okay, get your egg. Okay, right now shouldn't be menggeledak. Do not be have a rolling boil. Just a good simmer. Okay. So let's say you all not confident enough to break the egg inside. Okay, break in a bowl. Alright, so that the yolk is still intact. Okay, this one is rolling boil. The one lower some more.
Question: if you put too much water on the sauce, wouldn't it affect the flavor?
The taste, the flavor, of course lah. So you need to adjust a bit here and there. Okay. So this one, put it in the middle like that. Okay. Again, don't let it have a rolling boil. Alright. So now we need to search, okay, slowly for the egg. Alright. Okay, put in the middle, right? So it should be in the middle. Should be hilang pula. Okay. Bro, hilang bro.
Search for the missing egg.
Ada.
Satu pinggan.
Okay.
Berapa ringgit mi kangkang ni?
Berapa ringgit?
Satu pinggang berapa ringgit harga mi kangkang Malaysia?
Satu pinggang.
Okay, I think she's asking for the price of one packet lah.
One packet is $1.15. Okay.
That is for the 420 grams.
Yes, correct. Okay, so the egg we need to see there the egg has a thin film of egg white as envelope around it. So slowly take a ladle, okay, scoop, alright, and just scoop it out like that. Boom, you see don't let it pecah. Pecah aku pantang babe. So like this, you see, like that. Okay, those of you just joining in, thank you so much for joining in. Right now I am going to serve the final serving of the Mamak Mee Kuah Kang.
I think somebody just joined. Chef cari apa dalam tu,
Okay.
chef?
So ni telur. So you can see there. Ini kita pour dulu over. There you can see there. Alright. Apa mah? Kau geng.
Kita tahu kau cari telur.
Okay. And in the middle, wait, mama, wait. I know. Okay. And this one at the end, you just pour the telur there. My goodness. And babe, you can see there's substantial amount of kuah left in here. And see there, the mee kuah is already done. There you go. And tengok telur dia. Geli. And because the soup, okay, the gravy itself is very hot, so you straight away go inside or put it on the noodles. The noodle texture is just relax in the hot soup or hot stock. And right now the texture is really perfect. Let's check it out. Okay, nak kena bersihkan sikit ni. Ada sikit sekejap a bit of a mess. Alright, here first. Thank you. Alright, some put there. Alright, excuse me ladies and gentlemen. Alright, okay, nice. Allahu Akbar. Okay, Rianto Aisyah, Barakallahu fikum, Chef, Masya Allah, sedap tengok, Masya Allah. Seller ya Allah. Apa ni seller ya Allah? Okay, Masya Allah. Okay, so let's right now see the texture of the soup. Okay, mee kuah. Alright, this is Masya Allah. To me, it's just no such thing as perfect, but it's just nice. Alright, you can see the texture or the consistency of kuah. Okay, so bismillah. Very nice. Excited. Mana aku punya mi Kang aku mana? Okay, so alright. So before the apa ni, I show you the noodles. Okay, shall we break the egg or not? I know I pantang break the egg but I just want to show you the consistency of the egg. Come. Okay, who want to see the egg being broken, please give me a thumbs up dulu. Come on. Alright, good. So alright, nice. Mee bandung or mee kuah. I don't know what's the difference of mee bandung and mee kuah. Seriously, not much.
Bandung ada kacang.
Okay? Is it? I don't know, but it's okay lah. But still, alright. So this is mee mamak, mee kuah mamak lah. Okay, so let's see the egg. Boom. And you can see that's perfect telur. Okay, betul tak? Perfect telur. My goodness. So this one, sorry I kena makan. Okay, come. Now that's out of the way. Let's see the texture of the noodle. As you can see, just now I tak celur kan, I never blanch the noodles. Right now the noodles are so soft. It's just like that soft, and the texture or the longevity is it? Aku tak tahu. English is not my mother's tongue, but still it's not broken. Tengok
Your English is broken.
And I think if let's say you cook inside the kuah together, right, it will still be, the texture is very very nice, right? Marina, try this. Good. Correct, it's al dente, Don Samantha Sakura, Masya Allah. Alright, so sedap lah. Very nice. Okay. Tak ada macam how to say muak. Tak ada muak, tak ada jelak. Because the broth is so good. Alright, insyaAllah lah. Okay, try this later on. Okay, the broth is so good and the noodle is just nice. Let's see it. So we can see. Okay, come. Let's compare the texture of the cooked noodles here. Right. Here. Cooked noodles. Here. And raw noodles. You can see it's springy here. Still springy here, but it's al dente already. Dia macam layu. Sini masih tegang, ini masih dah layu sikit lah. So pasal ada kang-kang banyak. Kan dah. So if you want better, okay, you can put one pepper, and kicap sikit. Bagi dia sedap. Okay, so I think, okay, Norina, can we do a giveaway? Is it possible?
Can lah.
Anybody? Do you want to have a giveaway or not? If let's say you want to have a giveaway, you know what to do. Please give me some thumbs up and some love. Come, giveaway. Let's go. Don Samantha Sakura and your restaurant landmark is amazing. Thank you so much. Debak. Looks different, chef, the yellow mee compared to other brands. That's correct. Looks different, taste also different. Okay, so again, this mee kangkang is made up from premium wheat flour. No need to wash. It costs only like $1.15 for the 420 gram, and 1 kg is $1.70. Alright, it should be $3, but this one 1 kg $1.70. I don't know. This one, give me thumbs up. Come on.
Tak pedas ke?
Tak pedas, mana ada pedas. Okay, kalau nak letak.
I kena celur ni. Yes, correct.
It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. If let's say you want to blanch the noodle first, but for me, alright, no need. Okay, no need to celur. Straight away put the hot broth on the noodle itself. Okay, good. Wow, Valentino Wan Zulu, Abang Zulu, how are you, brother? Okay, so ni kalau kena lele bibir. Alright, so yes, shall we do a giveaway? Yes, I think so. Come, let's do a giveaway. Okay, I think I want to do a giveaway. Put our viewership up to 280 boleh tak? Turun pula. Okay, guys, comment below what type of dish that you want me to show you how to cook using noodles. Alright, egg noodles lah, Hokkien noodles, Ipoh Hor Fun, laksa noodles, any pressurized noodles of kangkang. Okay, what kind of dishes that you want me to cook, or you want me to show live, and want me to create a recipe out of it. Okay, so yeah, please. Perut terus lapar saya tengok Syed makan mee goreng. Angeline Tan, mee goreng I did ready. So if let's say you want, go to my TikTok and see the kangkang mee goreng video. Alright, laksa, kuih tiaw Hor Fun also I did. Mudatsir bin Umar. Alright, kuih tiaw Hor Fun I did before. So you can scroll down on my Facebook. I did ready the Hor Fun. Bakso mee Betawi kuih tiaw kungfu. Muzimus, kuih tiaw kungfu How about kuih tiaw kungfu, laksa goreng, mee klepot. Oh yes, that sounds good, man. Mee klepot beef mushroom, braised klepot mee. Yes, Excuse me, Alhamdulillah. Allah Akbar.
There was a comment here to say that portion is a lot.
Yeah, portion is a lot. Seriously. Kway teow kung fu, mi curry. I like the clay pot. I think I should do a clay pot. Okay, Nuri Dayu Osman, saya dari Johor. Thank you so much. Lomi recipe lah please ya. Thai boat noodle, alamak. Thai boat noodle, mi clay pot. Make 10-minute recipe chef. 10-minute recipe So if let's say 10-minute recipe, 1 hour, I need to do 6 dishes. So
10-minute recipe.
chicken noodle. I think the mi udang Kuala Perlis. Khidir, MB, bagi gua tu recipe, aku nak try dulu mi udang Kuala Perlis. I never tried before. Okay, so okay, don't forget Kang also have their express meal kit. Okay, EMK. They have their prawn mee, they have the curry mee, they have the laksa. So all
that 10 minutes
that one no 5 minutes can make already. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do the giveaway. Let's go. Okay guys.
Yo.
For Kang noodle, this one. Alright.
Maggie.
One packet. Where's the packet? You get the packet? The noodle. Okay, one packet of Hokkien flat noodle. Come here. Okay. The question is, okay, those of you who answered correctly will win yourself a $20 Kang goodie bag, and that $20 can last you I think 3 years of noodle. Alright. Flat Hokkien noodle and Hokkien noodle. Okay. This one is what's the No, I don't. Okay. The weightage is 420 gram. Okay. So 420 gram. This one is $1.15. Okay. There's another one. 1 kg. 1 kg Kang Hokkien noodle. How much does it retail for? Who give the fastest answer, correct answer, will win yourself a Kang goodie bag. Challenge to Shebok, make the turn into vegetarian even though the dishes uses meat. Share substitution veggie for the meat. Okay. Honey. Oh, lincah honey. Wah. I think we give 2 lah. 1 honey, 1 Nita, because Nita Rose is a sharer. Honey, why you never share? Huh? You want to win but you never share? Gigit. Okay, so Honey and Nita, congratulations, both of you win yourself a $20 Kang goodie bag. Tepuk sikit lah. Okay, so 2 of you win already. Enough not? Thank you sama? Enough. Okay, enough. Oh, manager enough. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. But okay, I wanted to know also some more. The claypot noodles. Okay, shall I do the claypot mushroom or claypot vegetarian? Vegetarian claypot. Okay, shall I do the vegetarian claypot? Huh? But vegetarian, okay. Can do vegetarian claypot with plant-based protein. How about? Apa macam? Yes. Okay, shall we do the vegetarian claypot? Yes, vegetarian claypot mee for the next month. Alright. So, and tomorrow, don't forget, tomorrow go to my IG. Alright, and I will show you how to make a pad thai using Ipoh Hor Fun. Like I said, my house is like a Kang factory. So, Ipoh Hor Fun is good. And babe, I tell you I make this Ipoh Hor Fun make into pad thai it's better than the original when I use the dry rice noodle. Okay, because last time I have my own restaurant and my restaurant I sell pad thai, okay, and I use the dry rice noodle. If I know there's fresh Ipoh Hor Fun and we can do pad thai I will save a lot already, save time, and I will still have my restaurant also, I think so. So alright, thank you Shebok for sharing recipe. Please don't forget like Kang Facebook page, like my page, go follow our TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, Twitter and all, and yeah, don't forget to share this video and don't forget to come back to get the recipe. Okay, share this video and also save this video for you to refer back to the video and also together with the recipe itself. Okay, alright, so tomorrow can win. Okay, another time tomorrow I will do another giveaway lah. Okay, tomorrow I will do another giveaway. Those of you who never win the goodie bag, I will do an IG giveaway tomorrow at 9 PM also. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you how to make pad thai using the Ipoh Fan. Yes. Alright. Any question, please? We got 10 minutes for question and answer. Alright, 10 minutes for question and answer, please. Anything pertaining to cooking or anything pertaining to any noodle dishes you want to know, please. The floor is yours. I'm open to question. I can't wait for your IG live tomorrow. So excited. Kang watching ah? I watch you watch me Kang. Rizwan, yeah, love what that. Salam saya buat my childhood friend Shazin Harif.
Pyrex tak ada giveaway.
Pyrex eh? No. Sorry. Angelitan. Come. Okay. Pedas juga ah. Ada pedas ah?
I think there's spice lah.
No. It's a chili. Okay guys, so please texture. Mesti texture sama. I think this one kena ada clay pot Wah, sure power.
So right.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So okay guys, if let's say there's no other question, thank you so much for watching. We love Kang. I love Kang. Turun lah. I would like to apologize if there's any terkasar bahasa apa. I would like to apologize if there's any miscommunication because of the name of the poster just now, because there's a lot of comment that tak sopan is all. But sorry, it's the brand of the noodle, so that's why I put Mamak Mee Kuah Kang. Nothing to do with the literal Kang, but it's just the brand of the noodles lah. And Kang literally means Jian Kang means healthy. Alright, so Kang means healthy. So that's the business acumen for Kang lah. As you can see, it's halal also, pasteurized. Wait, and yeah, some person diorang ada apa migraine when they eat yellow noodle. But this one you try. If no migraine, you let me know. If have migraine, you let me know. Okay, and this is not only halal, it's also vegan friendly. Alright, so kuih tofu recipe boleh kasih. Sabar ya Ahmad, sabar ya. Okay, I love your pad thai. I always celebrate with pakcik putu piring at your old restaurant Sepang Bedok. Masya Allah, pakcik putu piring. Siapa sih pakcik putu piring? Huh? Okay, so Lini Lee, if you love my pad thai, tomorrow please IG live 9 PM. I'll see you tomorrow with the Ipoh Fan. Alright, so please guys, share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and share. Go like Kang. Go like Kang IG. Go like Kang Facebook. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum. Take care. Peace to all. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.